What's up, Alpha Gang? We got a new package today, not for the Genesis today, but for my Honda Civic EK hatch, which is just here, just sitting outside my garage. And of course, here's the Genesis that you usually see in most of my content. But Formula GT3 carbon fiber mirrors are here from APR. I ordered these online to replace my current setup, which is just a regular stock EK mirrors that are here. Of course, they have like a carbon fiber wrap on them on the side, but we're going to replace those mirrors with his GT mirrors. So in the package, of course, it comes with your instructions, which is pretty straightforward. I don't think this will be a hard install, but I'll take you guys all through it. And then inside, let's get to the nitty-gritty. We have, take these off, these carbon fiber APR mirrors right here. They're a lot smaller than the stock ones. I can kind of give you a comparison, maybe from the front or just slightly smaller, but they'll do the trick. I'll try to get before and after of kind of what these look like before. Let's get and then after install as well. But yeah, we'll get these all protected as well, because I always like to protect all my carbon fiber bits, just like I do on the Genesis with the carbon fiber fenders and the hood. It just helps the longevity of those parts, especially when you pay quite a bit of money for all your carbon parts. Might as well get them protected when you can. And then also, let's see what comes in this package. Let's move this to the side so I don't drop that. And underneath, probably all the hardware. Yeah, quite a few little pieces. These will, let's take these all out of the package and put this all together. It looks pretty easy, honestly. It's just hardware, some Allen screws. So I probably won't go too much into what's all involved, maybe after I put it all together. But if you follow these instructions on how to assemble it, it'll be really straightforward. A step-by-step installation here. And then what I'll probably show you, however, is how to remove those stock mirrors in order to replace the new ones. So let's get at it and get to this video. Well, looks like another rainy one here in Edmonton. Alright, now we're off to Detail Studio, get my mirrors that just got freshly PPF'd, and then we can start the install. The Detail Studio, time to grab my mirrors. Got my mirrors all PPF'd. So now they're all protected from any rock chips and whatnot. I pretty much do this with all my PPF stuff, just so then it'll keep it lasting a lot longer as well. And I like to protect, what you pay for this stuff, because it gets pretty expensive. So let's get these installed and give you a before and after what it looks like. Remove these stock ones. It should just be clips on the inside. So it should just be, you should be able to just pull on this edge, pull down a bit towards you, and then just pull them off just like that. To give you an idea what it looks like, it's just this little clip that's right there holding it on in the middle. And then what holds in this mirror is just those, oops, we can get it to focus here on the camera. There's just these 3 Phillips screws here, so we'll remove that, and this side mirror should just come out just that easy. Last screw I have to take off, and on the outside it's pretty wiggly already, so I'm just gonna brace this when I take out that last screw and pull off this mirror. And just like that, the stock mirror is off. Very easy to do. Also, there's this little locking washer and screw under here as well. If I tighten it all the way, it doesn't give me a lot of movement for putting on this arm up here, so I think I'm going to leave it a little bit loose for now until I get this mounted on the car, and I can put the mirror on in case I need to adjust it that way. So yeah, I'll leave this a little bit loose here just so this ball can move around freely, and then I'll tighten that as I put it on. I believe you can use possibly your factory hardware as well, but I used the bolts that were provided since they were included, and they look a little bit more heavy duty as well. So I just put one in there for now just to secure it, and that's what it looks like. It fits really good actually on the outside, but I'm pretty happy so far. This is a pretty solid material compared to the plastic, so really good job, APR. It looks great already. My final adjustments on my mirror here. Sat in the driver's seat. Everything looks good to how I like to view things. I left this screw right here loose, and I also left this one, if I can get it to focus. Sorry, the sunlight's kind of hard to see. That one loose as well too, so I can make my final adjustments. Once I got everything adjusted, I had my Allen key in there and a wrench, and I just tightened that up, so then that way everything's nice and secure and it won't move around or shake loose or anything like that. It's still enough that I can still adjust it for like fine adjustments if I need, but that way I don't have to reach into this piece, this stock piece, once I put this clip back on, and then yeah, I won't have to adjust it every single time. So I'm trying to make it a lot easier for you guys and for myself. So it's just really easy. If someone changes position or someone else is driving the car, then they can just slightly make small adjustments or whatever without it being a pain in the butt. So, but so far it's looking really good. I just have to throw the cover on, and that's pretty much the end of it. Really easy to do. If I wasn't taking video, this is probably only like maybe a 15-minute install, so but worth it. The hardware and the mounting base or bracket is very heavy duty compared to like the stock plastic, so it feels really good and also looks awesome. I'm really happy with it. So let's get some other videos of before and after, and then get the other side done. Install was very easy to do, didn't take very long at all. As I mentioned before earlier in the video, the pricing was really good for these mirrors, and they look fantastic. You can kind of see them in the back there. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to hit that like and subscribe to support the channel, and stay tuned because we have some other really cool, exciting things for this car, and I would like to take you on the journey as well with that. So we'll see you on the next one. Peace.